What is swarm robotics? Imagine a school of fish, or a colony of ants working together without a central leader. Swarm robotics is inspired by nature to create systems of many small, simple robots that collaborate to achieve a complex goal. The power of this field doesn't lie in the intelligence of a single robot, but in the collective behavior that emerges from the interaction of thousands of them. The central idea is decentralization. Instead of one large, expensive robot that could fail and ruin a mission, swarm robotics uses a multitude of cheap and robust units. Each robot follows very simple rules like, move toward the light, or maintain a distance from my neighbor. But the combination of all these individual actions allows the swarm to solve problems collectively. This approach has several key advantages. If one or several robots fail, the swarm can continue to function without problems, which makes it very robust. It is also highly scalable. More robots can be easily added to handle larger tasks, and its flexibility allows the swarm to adapt to changing environments or unexpected tasks dynamically. Swarm robotics is being researched for fascinating applications. For example, at the Wyss Institute at Harvard University, researchers have developed very simple robots that can build complex structures collaboratively without a central blueprint. Thousands of small drones are also being used to search for survivors in a disaster area, or swarms of robots that could explore hostile planets. In short, this technology shows that there is strength in numbers, even among machines.